Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to our channel Botany with YouTube. Today I'm here a PhD scholar. I'm going to present a topic Archaeobacteria. Background: biologists have long organized living things into larger groups called kingdoms. There are six of them: Archaeobacteria, Eubacteria, Protista, Fungi, Plantae, and Animalia kingdom. Botany with YouTube is our channel. If you are new in our channel, then please try to subscribe our channel firstly. Some recent finding: in 1996, scientists decide to split Monera into two groups of bacteria: Archaeobacteria and Eubacteria. Because these two groups of bacteria were differentiated in many ways, scientists create a new level of classification called a domain. Now we have three domains: bacteria, archaea, and third one is eukarya. The first discovered in 1977, and a scientist classify as bacteria when they observe the microscope. However, they are quite different from bacteria and eukaryotes. Some of the first archaeobacteria were discovered in hot water of the hot spring in Yellowstone National Park. What is Archaeobacteria? Archaea means ancient. The word archaea came from Greek word archeon, which means ancient. Archaea is also the Latin name for prokaryotic cells. Any of a large group of primitive bacteria having unusual cell walls, membrane lipids, ribosomes, and RNA sequences, and having the ability to produce methane and to live in anaerobic, extremely hot and salty or acidic conditions. You can observe here the bacteria structure. Under the kingdom Archaea, Archaeobacteria are classified into the following phyla: in the first phylum, it includes thermophiles, hyperthermophiles, and these archaeobacteria are mostly found in the marine environment. And other phylum, in this the most studied division of Archaea mostly include methogens and halophiles. And the next one phylum have hyperthermophiles found in highly temperature and hydrothermal environment. And some type of phylum have ammonia oxidizing archaea, and some have unusual archaeobacterium that have ability to live together as obligate symbiont. General characteristics. Types of organism, they are unicellular, cellular structure, prokaryotic. Size is less than 1 micron long. Shape is spherical, rod-shaped, spiral, flat, needle-like. Habitat is extremely environment. Cell wall is made up of cellulose and peptidoglycan is totally absent. Nutrition mode is heterotroph and autotroph. Reproduction is asexual. You can say that binary fission. You can observe the structure of Archaeobacteria. Pilus, capsule, flagellum, cell wall, plasma membrane, nucleoids, ribosomes, cytoplasm are the component of Archaeobacteria. Botany with YouTube is our channel. Share our channel, share our video with your other friends, colleagues and other researchers. Types of Archaeobacteria. They can be divided into three different types: halophiles, thermophiles and methogen. Halophiles. They require salt-rich environment to survive. Found in the Great Salt Lake, Dead Sea and some lakes. Most are rod-shaped. For example, bacilli. They use the salt in their environment for energy. You can see here the examples of halophiles. This type of bacteria live in extremely hot and acidic water. They found in hot spring and they are called hydrothermal vents. They use the heat and acids of their habitat to produce food. A report on bacteria state that some type of hydrothermal bacteria can easily grow in acidic or hot and moist regions, and they can easily tolerate the 55 degrees Celsius temperature, and if the temperature will be increased, they will be die. You can observe in diagram the structure of Archaeobacteria. Botany with YouTube is our channel. Like our channel, like our video. If you have any question, you can ask us in comment section, and if you want to share your point of view, you can share with us in comment section. Methogens. You can observe in diagram. Found in oxygen-free environment, produce methane gas by using carbon dioxide and water. Most are cocotte or rod-like in shape, found in mud, swamps or in the intestine of human, cows and other animals. Examples of methogens you can observe in diagram. The importance of Archaeobacteria. They play important role in chemical cycles. They play important role in carbon cycle, nitrogen cycle and sulfur cycle. They help in researches. Their ability to tolerate extreme condition helps the researcher learn about the climatic condition, environment and their survival on ancient earth. They also help in antibiotics production. Archaea hosts a new class of potentially useful in antibiotics. They also support in the formation of extraction of metals. They extract gold, copper and cobalt from the ores. Methane gas production. They produce methane gas by using carbon dioxide and water. Thanks to visit our channel. Thanks for your concentration, for your attention. Good luck to all of you. Allah Hafiz.